Hi, I'm Cammie, and we're in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, just across the harbor from Charleston. We moved here in December of 2002. I saw it on the internet, fell in love with it. For the past 10 years, we've been doing work on the house in stages, and now we are faced with trying to work on our English basement area. But it needs an insulated door so that we don't have, in the wintertime, we don't have the wind coming through the door, and then we've got a window that I can't clean because it's painted shut. So this is my next project.
Hi, I'm Linda Balzac. I am Cammie's architect. You had the perfect opportunity to add light with a French door, make these windows bigger, and get a view of your garden.
Hi, my name is Bob Hyland with Southern Lumber and Millwork, and I am a Marvin dealer here in Charleston. I'm here to see Cammie and Linda on their new project. What makes Marvin a unique company in terms of doing historic renovation is they're actually very architecturally correct. It meets all the historic specifications, and that's what makes Marvin, very good for historic renovation.
Bob, this is our addition we completed in 2005, and we have been so happy with our Marvin windows.
I was thinking we could put a French door here to let more light in, and also just get an energy efficient French door that will help make this place less damp and a lot more comfortable inside in the winter.
The exterior of the Marvin product is actually very low maintenance, and so the homeowner doesn't have to continually paint the product. The product is also very energy efficient because of the airspace in between here. Marvin has a low E coating. What that does for the homeowner, it actually blocks a lot of the heat gain that they would get that would actually fade and damage furniture. Then what Marvin also does, because of that coating, it limits any condensation problems that a homeowner would actually have on that. And it's also, again, architecturally correct. It allows a lot of light in, so it achieves a lot of things that the homeowner is wanting to achieve in this particular project.
Okay, great. And so this door is actually just like the windows we used in the addition?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
I've always loved that room, and I can't wait for this project to be finished and to be able to open up that space and let more light in. We have so many parties. It's going to be so much fun to be able to have guests down there and really use the space instead of wasting it like we did before. It's going to be great.